Hi, I'm Gina. Welcome to my YouTube account. I don't post here very often, but when I do, I hope it's useful little tips and ideas to help you with your art and creativity. Now, recently on Instagram, I posted a reel of me using a Cola pen, and I had a comment from someone who said, "What on earth is a Cola pen?" And so I thought that would be a good little video for YouTube. So this is what I'm doing. So I'm going to turn my camera around onto my table and I'm going to show you how to make yourself a Cola pen and how to use one. So first of all, what is a Cola pen? Well, it's basically a homemade dip pen, and they're called Cola pens because they're made from tin cans, so I guess traditionally cola cans, and all you need to make one is some sticks like coffee stirrers, which you can pick up wherever you can get coffee basically, an old tin can. I don't really drink Coke, so mine isn't a Cola pen. It's going to be a Dr. Pepper pen, but other cans are available. I'll tell you now a little story that mostly I drink tea, coffee, water, wine, not many soft drinks out of cans, so I actually went rummaging around the bins in the village till I found a can, which isn't doing my reputation any good at all. So sticks, a can, some paper scissors that you're not going to ruin, please don't use your best fabric scissors, and some tape of some description. So basically what you need to do is cut your can open. Now be really careful with this, it's probably going to make a lot of noise because obviously it's a tin can and it's sharp. So I think I'm probably going to stop the video here, but you dig your pen in and you want to cut the ends off until you've got a flat piece of tin. So I'm just going to do this off camera. So here you can see I've cut out my can and I've got a flat piece of tin. So say be careful, you get these sharp edges, you'll easily cut yourself. And all I want is a little square, about 5 centimeters square, 2 inches square. So this is probably the flattest end, so I'm going to cut it from here. I don't even need it that big. There we go. And we're going to fold that in half. So I'm just going to fold it in half this way. And we're going to keep this folded edge, and we're just going to cut out a nib shape. Now if I get the pens back, you'll see I've got nibs of varying sizes and shapes, and it's worth experimenting because they give you different types of lines. But essentially you want a little piece, so this is my folded edge, remember. So you want a piece where you're going to attach it to the stick, and then a nib shape. Like that. So it's like a little sort of half an arrow. And then into the fold at this end, you're going to insert this stick. Easier said than done. There we go. So I've got my stick inserted there. I'm going to cut myself a little bit of tape. I'm just going to attach that there. Make sure it's attached firmly to the stick. And there we are, a Cola pen. As you can see, because it's double, that's almost like the ink well where it will hold the ink, and that's your tip to draw with. So let's have a little drawing demo. So I've got just some regular writing ink. You can use any type of ink, and I'm going to dip my pen in. And then I use my pen to make marks, and you'll see it make different quality of marks. Sometimes some pens hold more ink than others, that's why you need to experiment with the shape. And you can see not a lot of control always, but it does make some really interesting marks. So there you are, have fun with your Cola pens.